Good day, everyone. Today, we're pleased to present Pingahla's Data Quality Accelerator, which leverages the advanced capabilities of Click and Talend. What does PDQA exactly do? This data quality project implements a series of data quality rules to ensure the integrity and reliability of the data. The project leverages various types of data quality checks, including accuracy, anomaly detection, completeness, uniqueness, and validity. These rules are applied to different levels, such as columns and tables, to provide a comprehensive assessment of the data. Some of the use cases is data integrity verification. Ensure that the data adheres to predefined rules for accuracy, completeness, and consistency. For anomaly detection, identify and flag potential anomalies in the data using methods like isolation forests. For data standardization, apply rules to maintain consistency in data formats, such as email and phone numbers. In schema validation, check for duplicate natural keys to maintain data integrity. And for cleansing, based on the results of data quality, you'll be able to make the cleansing to those that did not comply with it. Our PDQA can support integration to all data sources supported by Talend, which is over than 2,000 data sources, ERP, cloud, on-prem, SaaS, etc., and provides a data quality score on key metrics such as anomaly detection, completeness, accuracy, uniqueness, consistency, and validity. Our solution leverages Talend's powerful ETL, data quality, and secure features within the backend. This ensures a centralized data management platform that not only streamlines your data processes, but also maintains a secure network for your data operations. Some of you that already have Talend DQ may be wondering why you need PDQA. Well, first and foremost, PDQA is a fully pre-built end-to-end solution from a front-end UI to the dashboard and reporting layer. It will save your team valuable time and cost in addition to the following features we've developed that I will go over. Now, let's dive into the key features that our AI PDQA solution has. For email verification, our PDQA solution includes an email verification feature to ensure that your email data is accurate and up to date, reducing the chances of communication errors. For dataset management, our solution generates a clean and deduplicated dataset for continuous matching purposes. This means you will always have a reliable dataset to work with. It compares new datasets with target datasets, outputting unique records and suspect duplicates in separate targets. This helps you easily identify and manage duplicates in your data. For matching model, the PDQA solution generates a matching model that automatically predicts labels for suspect pairs. It groups records that match the label set in the component properties, making it easier to manage and analyze your data. For machine learning on Spark, our solution enables you to compute pairs of suspect duplicates from any source data, including large volumes in the context of machine learning on Spark. This feature leverages the power of Spark for efficient data processing and analysis. For automatic labeling, the solution labels suspect records automatically and groups suspect records that match the label set in the component properties. This automation saves time and ensures consistency in your data labeling process. For data quality checks, the PDQA solution checks database rows against specific data quality patterns, such as regular expressions or business rules. This ensures that your data meets the required quality standards. It includes Talend, Click, out-of-the-box routines, and custom routines developed by Pingahla. These routines check database rows against several data quality patterns and extract rows that match a given data quality business rule, allowing you to implement any required corrections. Now, let's see how PDQA exactly works. First, data is collected from various sources, such as databases, source files, or software as a service platforms. Second, a profiling and recommender system is applied to the data. PDQA suggests a number of algorithms to apply based on the specific characteristics of your dataset. Third, using a user-friendly interface that we developed, You can select the database where your data resides. You can also choose the tables, columns, rule types, algorithms, and cleansing operations to apply to your data. At the end of this selection process, the UI generates a configuration file containing all the execution instructions. Fourth, the ETL process is executed using Click Talend. This step ensures that the data quality rules and algorithms are applied effectively. The process data and results are then written back to the selected database and schema. The final step involves consuming the results produced by Click Talend through a ClickSense dashboard. This dashboard displays all the relevant metrics in a clear and straightforward manner, enabling users to easily analyze and interpret the data. Additionally, we have integrated ChatGPT functionalities into the dashboard. Leveraging the power of AI, the chat box allows users to ask data analysis related questions in natural language. Now, let's take a look at the different talent mappings that allow us to process the data in PDQA. In anomaly mapping, the anomaly mapping process begins with the execution of a pre-job. This creates a reusable connection for the source, target, and DQ schemas. These schemas contain all the PDQA data. The joblet fetches the last batch ID run from the ETL process table. The next step involves checking the target table for existing standard and mean values. If the value exists, the process proceeds to read the data from the source, calculate the z-value, and send the results to the target. If the value does not exist, the process reads the data from the source, calculates the mean and standard deviation values, and writes the results into a reference table. After the mean and standard deviation values are calculated, the z-values are computed and anomalies detected are written into the target. Next, in the tjava component, the process identifies any anomalies, determines their quantity, and sets up context variables accordingly. For the post-job execution, in the tposture component, after the entire process is run, all database connections are closed. The ETL batch table is updated with the last loaded date. And if any anomalies are discovered, a notification email is sent detailing the table and the percentage of rows containing anomalies. For data quality evaluation, the process begins with the same pre-job as before, establishing a reusable connection for source, target, and DQ schemas, and fetching the last batch ID. In the TDB input, a referential integrity check is performed along with a lookup cleansing algorithm. Then, data from the source is processed through a tmap component. Within the tmap, error hits for each column and table are calculated for each rule type during both the cleansing and post-cleansing evaluation stages. The cleansed data is then written into the target schema. The next 4 rows populate the database model with results and error counts for each column and table. After the process completes, all database connections are closed. The ETL batch table is updated, and a notification email is sent detailing the DQ and cleansing results. For match and merge, as before, the process starts with a pre-job that establishes a reusable connection for source, target, and DQ schemas, including information on the last batch ID. The process begins when the data is fetched from the source. Keys for processing are selected and necessary pre-algorithms are implemented. Then, in the tmatch group 1 component, the match and merge logic is executed, calculating the similarity between values using various algorithms such as Yarrow, Yarrow-Winkler, Sandex, etc. The match and merge data, including all the data and the master data, is written to the target schema. Records with high similarity scores that do not meet the threshold are classified as suspect records. These suspect records are routed to the T data stewardship for manual merging. After that, statistics are calculated including the number of master records, rows transferred, and the count of suspect records. These statistics are used to update the DQ tables in the data model. After the process completes, all database connections are closed, the ETL batch table is updated, and a notification email is sent, detailing the suspect records and match and merge results. In addition to the robust data quality management capabilities of PDQA, we have integrated advanced ChatGPT functionalities directly into the dashboard. This integration leverages the power of artificial intelligence to provide an intuitive and interactive user experience. The chatbox embedded within the dashboard allows users to interact with the system using natural language. Users can ask data analysis related questions just as they would in a conversation with a human expert. This eliminates the need for users to have in-depth technical knowledge or familiarity with specific query languages. ChatGPT processes natural language questions and responds with precise context-aware answers. This is achieved by utilizing Python code as the engine on the back end. The AI interprets the user's queries, formulates the necessary data analysis procedures, and executes them in real time. One of the key features of this integration is the transparency it offers. ChatGPT doesn't just provide the final answer, it also displays all the intermediate steps and calculations that lead to the answer. This includes the Python code used, any data transformation applied, and the logical reasoning behind the results. This step-by-step breakdown helps users to understand the processes and enhances trust in the results provided by the AI. By incorporating ChatGPT, the dashboard expands its data analysis capabilities. Users can perform complex analysis, generate detailed reports, and extract insights without needing to manually write code or navigate through multiple tools. The AI handles the heavy lifting, making sophisticated data analysis accessible to a broader audience. And now, I'm going to pass it to my colleague Daniela, who will tell you more about the cleansing portion of PDQA.
Now for cleansing. Data cleansing is crucial as it leads to better insights and decision making. It eliminates errors and inconsistencies, improving data quality and efficiency. Clean data enhances customer satisfaction, compliance, and overall operational performance. Because messy and dirty data can be a huge obstacle for decision making. Data cleansing is a process that helps us transform this chaos into clear and useful data. Data cleansing addresses issues like missing values, inconsistent formatting, and duplicates. By cleaning all the data, we ensure to improve the DQ scores, which leads to better and more reliable insight and decision. In this data-fueled world, techniques like regular expression extraction, filling missing values, and data lookups are essential tools in the data cleansing process, which we offer inside PDQA. So, for some of the cleansing algorithms we have are lookup, which basically we search for a correct answer in other records. A case example would be filling a missing customer address by referencing other records with the same customer ID. Handling missing data by filling missing values or removing incomplete records. An example would be replacing missing age values with the average age or removing entries with incomplete information. Extract a regular substring would ensure to extract only the important parts that follow a pattern. So in the case where we have a phone number, we can extract the ones that follow this pattern. Well, thank you for joining us today. We hope you found our presentation on Pingahla's Data Quality Accelerator insightful and valuable. For any further questions or to learn more about how we can help you achieve your data quality goals, please reach out to us through any of the following channels that you can see on the screen. Follow us on social media and stay connected with us for the latest updates, news, and insights into the data quality and analytics. We look forward to partnering with you to drive your data initiatives forward. Thank you very much.